Assalamualaikum. You are watching my channel Informative Vlogs by Umar. Today we will guide you how to operate Janome 7301 sensor craft computerized zigzag machine, which consists of simple stitching, zigzag, pika, overlocking, catch, button, and alphabets and numericals. So today this vlog must be the interesting vlog for you, and you can learn how to operate your Janome 7301 zigzag machine and the basics of this sewing machine, that how to plug in, how to plug out, how to do bobbin winding, how to do threading on this zigzag machine. So let's start this video, and I will guide you, let you know first of all that how to plug in your Janome sensor craft zigzag machine. First of all, you have to plug in this adapter, so that your machine will not be burned if you are in the countries of Middle East where you are having 220 voltage. If you are having voltage of 110, then you can use it directly on your board's plug. And this is the starter. You have to plug in over here. The accelerator, how to increase or decrease this speed of this saving machine. You can see this, it will work on acceleration. Now first of all, I will guide you how to do bobbin winding on this computerized Janome zigzag machine. First of all, you have to put bobbin in this bobbin winder and put the thread over here on this stand of thread. Then bring the thread out and look at the process. First of all, give it out from the first step, then the second step, then turn it around over here, bring it this position, and then bring it under this. You have to bring this over here and roll it on your bobbin like this. That roll it little thread so that it will be the grip of thread. Then accelerate the machine so that your machine will be bobbin winding and the machine will be locked. Only the bobbin winding process will be done. Look at this, your machine is doing bobbin winding. Let the bobbin winding must be finished, then we will do the other process of threading of your machine, and we will guide you how to thread your Janome zigzag machine. Look at this, the bobbin winding process is completed. Now we will give out this bobbin and put it at the lower threading process. First of all, put the bobbin over here, then bring it out from this cut. Look at this, and leave the thread over here. Leave the thread over here. Now let's go to the, look at this. Here it is, the catalog of lower threading on the glass of lower bobbin. Now you have to thread the upper thread. I must guide you that watch this threading process clearly so that you can learn how to thread properly in this zigzag machine. The thread is coming out from here, then they bring it upper position, and now turn the wheel of the machine and the lever will be come out. Put the thread on the lever of this machine and bring it over here from this hook, then bring it to this hook. The last step is to put the thread under the needle of the zigzag saving machine. The threading process is very easy if you watch the video properly. Look at this, the threading process is done. Now roll the wheel and the lower thread will be come out. Look at this, the lower thread is also here. Now the threading process is completed and done. Just cover up this bobbin cover. First of all, we will go to the simple stitching. When you on the machine, look at this, the machine will become over the left hand side of the needle. Press this button, the needle is come in the center of the machine, and the stitching will be done in the center of the needle plate. First of all, I will guide you how to sew your dress properly, how to do sewing process. Stitching, normal stitching, not zigzag, nothing, only stitching. Look at this, the machine is doing stitching process. The stitching process is completed. Look at this, normal stitching is done. But if you want to adjust the stitching length, you have to come over here this way, this process, this button, press it over here. Look at this, the numbers are showing the length is increasing. Look at this, 5.0. Now press the accelerator. The stitching length is increased. Look at this, the length is increased and the stitching is in the bigger size. Now if you want to do the reverse process, this button is for deleting process. Look at this button. When you press over here, any of your option will be selected, will be deleted by the third button. Now if you want to do the reverse process, or you want to do the stitch in the reverse position, look at this, you have to press this button. It will work for the reverse option. Look at this, your machine is doing the reverse. Look at this. Sometimes you need to stitch some clothes in the tight way, or you don't want to let them the thread needle that stitch will be break, so you have to use this reverse process. Look at this, the machine is doing the reverse stitching. Now delete it over here. Now we will guide you how to do the zigzag, and in zigzag we will guide you how you can increase or decrease the weight and length of the zigzag of your computerized Janome zigzag machine. Now press this button, your machine will be go to the zigzag process. Look at this. Now let's do the zigzag. Look at this, it is the manual zigzag which is automatically feed up in your machine. When you press the machine, the normal feed up zigzag will be doing by this machine. Look at this. And if you want to increase the weight of your zigzag, then you must have to select it from here and bring it over 7.0 millimeter. So your zigzag width must be 7.0 millimeter, and the zigzag width will be increased. The design will be more beautiful and more attractive. Look at this. Let the design must be completed, so I will show you the result. Look at this. Before, when I was doing the zigzag, length width was smaller. Now it is more breadth. Now let's go to the other designs that we are selecting. This design, number 1 design or number 2 design, or any of the design you are selecting. If you want to select the design number 1, you have to press it number once. When you want to select the design number 2, you have to press it twice. When you select the design number 3, you have to press it thrice. Now I select the design, and the design is processing on this machine. Look at this. Then the design will be completed and I will show you the result. I must guide you that you must watch the full video so you can learn the proper process of using this machine, because we are guiding everything in this machine. Look at this, very beautiful design. Now I will guide you. You can attach another design on this machine which make it more beautiful and more attractive. Look at this. You press it over here. The design must be more beautiful and more attractive. When you accelerate your machine, the design is working on it. Look at this. The design is processing. It is very beautiful design. You can make any of your frock or any of your girl dresses. Look at this. Let the design will be completed and I will show you the result. You must like this design and you wanted to make it on your dresses, and you must have to practice over your machine. Look at this. Design is very beautiful. I attached 2 designs together. Now I will guide you how to select another design. Look at this. If we want to make the design of moon shape design, now let we do the moon shape design on this machine. You must have to select the proper design so that it will connect to another design, and the design must be make your dress beautiful and gorgeous look. Look at this. That the design will be completed. You can see that when I attach this design and making the design proper way, proper shape, the design shape is looking very gorgeous. Look at this. It must be looking like that you buy some bigger brand dresses. Now I will guide you how you can attach 2 beautiful designs and make one design by mixing 2 designs together in different positions. And the design must be of triangle design, which makes the square on your dresses. Look at this. The triangle design is under the process. Look at this. I am designing the triangle. First of all, I will make this first triangle, and then I will guide you how to make another triangle so that your design must be more beautiful and more attractive. Look at this. The first triangle is done. Now I will make another triangle beside it so that the another triangle make it in square shape. The design must be looking more beautiful and more gorgeous. Look at this. You maybe don't know about this design, but when I guide you, you will know about it, and you can make it easily on your clothes and any kind of girls frocks. Look at this. I adjust the design shape. Now it is designing and the process is doing. Let the process is completed, and I will show you how it's look and how it's work. Maybe you must like this design. Look at this. You must like this design. Look at this. I attached two triangles together, and the design is very beautiful and gorgeous. Look at this. You can make it anywhere on your dresses easily and properly by using any kind of computer or Janome 7301 compressed zigzag machine. Now I will guide you how to mix three designs together in one row. This button will be make the design. Look at this. I will select another design. Number one, I press it again. Then another design, I will mix it again by this button. This button will be save the design and it mix the design. Now the design is begin and it start processing. Where the design will be complete, and I will show you the mixing process. Look at this. It is making three different designs in one row, which you maybe don't know about this machine. It is mixing three designs together. It is the latest technology and latest machine. Look at this. It makes three designs together. I hope you must like this design. Look at this. Now let's go to another process. I will guide you how to change the design position. One design and change the position of the design. First of all, you select the triangle. Press it twice. Select the triangle and you mix it by number one. Now press it again. Press the second button so that the design position will be changed. Look at this. The position of design is changed. Look at this. You can see in the screen. And when I will make it on the cloth, you may be seen properly after the processing of designing. Look at this. Let the process is complete. Let the process is completed, and you can see the result. It is processing now. Look at this. It is doing the process. You can see this. The double mixing design is completed. Look at this. It is opposite direction designs. Look at this. The design direction is changed by using these machine buttons only. Not changing the position of cloth, only the changing the button process. Look at this. If you want to change the position, you can press the second button. The design position will be changed easily of your machine. Now let's go to the other design, and I will guide you properly that how to select or deselect the design. This button, number one button, look at it. When I press this design, then I will select by this button is deleting the designs, red button. Now let's select another design. Like I am selecting this heart design. Heart design is selected. Now after selecting the heart design, I will press this button to mix the design. Now let's go to the another design, leaf design. The two designs are selected, and machine will make and design two designs together. Look at this. The process is completing, and machine is forwarding and reversing the cloth and designing. Look at this. The design position is changing, and the heart design and leaf design, two designs are designing together. Look at this. Machine is designing very beautiful designs. Look at this. The design is completed, and you can see the result. Let's see the result of design. Now let's go to the alphabet options. I will guide you how you can make or write alphabet on or name on your clothes easily. Some dresses you need to write the name. Look at this. My name is Umar. I am writing the name U. I am selected M. Press number 1 for mixing. Then E. Then mixing design this button. Then R. I will select number R. 3 times I will press, then the R will become on the screen LCD of the machine. Now the selecting process completed and I am designing on the cloth, and machine is writing the name on the cloth. You can see the process, that the process is completed and machine will be stopped by itself. Look at this. The name process completed and machine is written UMER Umar. Now I will take you to the numbers. Machine will write the number on the cloth. Let my mobile number is 0. Select. Then I will select 3. Select. Then I will select 4. Select. Then I will select 8. Then I will select 2 dash. Then I will select 2. Number 2. This number is selected. Then 4. Then I will back to number 2. If you make any mistake, then you can delete the numbers easily by pressing the upper row 3 number button. Then different names, different designs you can add, or you can add any numbers and alphabet easily. If you deselect, you can delete the design easily by this button number 3. Let the written process is completed. Now I will write the number, my mobile number or my WhatsApp number on the cloth, and you can see the result. Look at this. The machine is writing the numbers. It is writing the numbers. Look at this. It's writing 03482429959. It is writing very properly the numbers. It is very beautiful machine which can design everything, even the buttonhole, even the pico, and the overlocking process, which I will show you further. Look at this. The number process is completed and machine is completed. Writing the numbers. Look at this. 0348 03482429959, and my name Umar also written. The designs also be completed on your machines. This button will be delete everything. Now let's go to the buttonhole. For making buttonhole, you have to select this foot number F and fix it on your machine, the F foot. Then you can make the buttonhole easily on this machine. The process of buttonhole I will guide you. That the foot is fixed. Now put the cloth under the machine. Now I will guide you how you can make the buttonhole. First of all, you can press this buttonhole button twice, 2 times. Then now we will start the machine, and the process is started. Machine is making the step number 1. How much big or small you want design, you can first make it. Then press it number 1 button, mixing button. Then the second process and third process done by itself. That the third step complete, then press it again. The fourth step will be complete and machine will be stopped by itself, and the buttonhole process is completed. Now you can cut it by the opener or any blade. You can see this. I will cut it by this opener, and the buttonhole is made properly. Look at this. The buttonhole process is completed. Now I will take you to the pica option. I will guide you how you can make the pica. Change the foot number F, and now you can fix the number D, foot number D, alphabet D foot. You can fix on the machine. The foot is fixed. Now I will guide you how you can make the picker. Delete every design and now put the cloth under the mouth of the foot and select zigzag option. Look at this zigzag, simple zigzag. You can make the picker. Look at this. Now our machine will be start doing pico or pica. The machine is rolling the cloth by itself. That the process is completed and I will show you the proper result of pico to you. It is doing it by itself and forwarding the cloth by itself. If you want a good result, you must use two hands, so your cloth will be forwarded smoothly and the design will be picker design will be made properly on the cloth. Look at this. The picker design is completed and very beautiful and awesome design is made by the machine on your cloth. After doing the picker, I will guide you how you can do the overlocking process. You change the foot of picker and put the overlocking foot over here. The process of overlocking is to attach two cloths together and straighten the strong the cloth so that the stitch will not be open again and your cloth will be strong from the corners of the stitching side. You must select the picker design over here. This option is not this one. This picker design is selected and let our machine will be doing picker. Let the process is completed. Meanwhile, you just subscribe my YouTube channel and like and share this video so the other persons can also get this video and can easily use these machines at home. I hope you like my tutorial. Look at this. The process is completed and I will show you the result. Look at this. The overlocking process is completed and finally machine finished the overlocking process. Look at the result of picker and all the designs, stitching, zigzag, mixing, alphabets, numericals, everything picker. I hope you must like this video. So I just ask you to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share this video so that you can watch my other vlogs and tutorials also on your YouTube. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.